Well, we've got even more planetary news for you to peruse this morning. Space, still clinging to the title, The Final Frontier. And now NASA is preparing to launch a new mission right into the heart of the universe's mysteries.
And piggybacking on that launch, an exploration into the power of the sun's surface and the mighty gusts of solar wind. Both missions expected to take off Sunday. So joining us live from NASA is Deputy Mission Scientist Michael Kirk, a McMinnville native. This is so neat to talk to you. Good morning.
It's a pleasure to be here. I'm really happy to join you this morning.
It's so cool. A Grizzly alum there. So the launch again coming up Sunday. How excited are you? What does this mean?
Oh, this is tremendous. I am super excited for this launch. Down here in Southern California right now, we're launching out of Vandenberg Space Force Base down here. And the Punch mission is going to image the solar wind for the first time in 3 dimensions. This is tremendous. We've always just had 2D pictures of the solar wind from coronagraphs or other instruments. Now we're getting 3 dimensions. So I couldn't tell you how excited I am. It is palpable around here.
Wow, that's exciting. Well, and I think it's also kind of fun that even in space, we're getting into the rideshare trend. So you've got 2 missions here on this launch. How does that work?
Yeah, so it's a rideshare mission, which means that, it's like carpooling where, you go pick up one and then the next. No, actually, they're both bolted on their own substructures. They're going to go up on the same launch vehicle and again, then get dropped off in sequence. They're going up to the similar orbits, about 650 kilometers above the Earth's surface in a polar orbit, with Punch constantly looking at the sun and SphereX constantly looking at the night sky.
So after you gather this data, what's the end goal here? What are you hoping to do with this information?
Yeah, that's a great question because that's where actually I get the most excited. Launches are a lot of fun. I'm a bit of a data nerd. I like it when we actually get information to the ground. So Punch is going to image the solar wind. So this stream of magnetic fields and particles streaming off of our closest star and enveloping Venus, Earth, Mars, the entire solar system. And here on Earth, we can be affected by the solar wind. You can see it with aurora. I don't know if a few months back you saw some aurora in Portland, or hopefully you did. That's caused by these solar eruptions. So Punch is going to image these in unprecedented detail and be able to follow them as they leave the sun all the way until they impact Earth.
Interesting.
It's so cool.
And so what kind of idea does that give us of the bigger cosmic picture? Are we going to understand maybe some new mysteries of the universe here?
Yeah, that's where SphereX really comes in. So SphereX is going to look at the early formation of the universe. It's going to look in the near infrared and take pictures of how the universe expanded in the early days. So with Punch, understanding how we work with our closest star, and then SphereX studying the broad sky and how all of the stars in the universe and galaxies all work together and form, will give us this idea of this picture of not only how it affects us right now, but how we got to be where we are today.
Is there any element of this where can you predict where things are going with this info?
I mean, we have models, we have theories, but that's the most exciting thing about both these missions is that they're true discovery class missions and that they're discovering new science. Like these are going to rewrite the textbooks, literally. Like we are going to find out new things about how these systems work and how the universe behaves that we've never expected to understand before. So yes, we have our theories. Yes, we have our models, but there will be broken because of this new data.
Oh my gosh. I feel like my reaction to all of this has just kind of been, just like mind blowing. It's really, really cool stuff. So if folks at home want to learn more about this mission this weekend, where can they go?
Yeah, please go to nasa.gov, nasa.gov/punch for the Punch mission, nasa.gov/SphereX for the SphereX mission. Both of these will link you to all sorts of resources, videos, animations, explainers. You can celebrate the launch, and then in about 100 days, we'll all have data to look at too.
How cool. Well, it's been great to talk to you. I got to say, I'm a Newburgh High School alum, so if we're going to those high school rivalries, yeah, there's some blood there, but it's been fun to talk to you. This has been great.
I glad you said that last.
Right.
Yeah,
So you're
I-
saving that to the end of the
I
interview.
knew what I was doing. It's
Oh
been
my
awesome to
gosh.
talk to you. Congratulations.
That is so cool. Michael, thanks so much for joining us. Again, those 2 new NASA missions launching over the weekend, if all goes well, from Vandenberg, California. Sphere are going to be looking at those colors you can't see, tracing the origins of the universe. Punch studies solar wind forming on the surface of the sun, and we are all going to learn more about this universe from folks much, much smarter than Travis and I.
Yeah.
We'll keep you updated here on AM Extra. Going to be a really cool thing.
How neat.